Well, COVID cases in Kern County not slowing down, with more than 1,000 cases reported by Public Health on Tuesday. The state says that if our region does not slow the spread, our hospitals will be in danger of receiving more patients than they can help. 23 ABC's Kristin Vartan joining us live this morning after talking to public health officials about one crucial way they plan to mitigate the case rate. Kristin?
Mike, as COVID cases arise in our county, Public Health has redeployed 40 to 50 staff members to contact trace.
Being able to identify those close contacts, this is how we slow and mitigate the spread of this disease in our community. It is the cornerstone of public health. It is vitally important.
Kern County Public Health Public Information Officer Michelle Corson says that this redeployment of nursing staff to contact trace may only be the beginning.
When the first surge happened this summer, we had upwards of 100 staff that were doing contact tracing during that kind of peak time. Then things really slowed down for us, which was a good thing. So, we may have only needed 20 of our staff to be doing the contact tracing during those slower months. And unfortunately, now we are ramping up.
It is a method public health has used to identify infectious diseases like sexually transmitted diseases well before COVID-19. While common in the healthcare world, this pandemic may be the first time it's become a part of everyday conversation for the public. So, what exactly is contact tracing?
If you and I had lunch yesterday and I have COVID today, I would say, okay, who were you with yesterday or the day before? Who were you in contact with? We need to trace them and find them and let them know they might have been exposed to somebody who has COVID, and then they need to get tested.
Now, you're probably wondering how tracking someone like this is compliant with HIPAA. Corson says all the tracers really need are a person's name and contact information. Tracers go through rigorous training and have team leads to make sure privacy laws are not breached.
Anyone ever receives a call from a contact tracer that has identified themselves as that, and they feel that they are being asked things that are in violation of their privacy, we encourage them to call Kern County Public Health, and we can, verify that indeed that was one of our staff calling, or potentially not.
Bakersfield College is holding a 2-week training course for those interested in learning more about public health, communication and contact tracing, infectious diseases, and the coronavirus in general. And while public health is not recruiting third-party contact tracers at this time, Corson says it's helpful to know there are people trained locally in case they need some extra hands on deck. Now, Corson points out this course will not be in place of public health training for contact tracers. You can find a link to that course on our website, turnto23.com, as well as public health jobs on there. Live at Public Health, Kristin Vartan, 23 ABC News, connecting you.